My student loan payment just unexpectedly went from $90 a month to $1,100. So my goal is to flip this $25 buffet for profit so I can make this month's payment. I gave it a good clean and I removed the hardware with my HART screwdriver, and I started removing the finish with a carbide scraper because the old varnish was so thick. Once I removed most of the varnish, I used my HART orbital sander with 120 grit to remove anything I missed. I'm about to blow your mind with this pro tip, so listen carefully. I took my HART drill driver and I put the screw leg in it like I would with the drill bit. I held 100 grit sandpaper in my hand and I let that baby work its magic. Each leg was sanded in less than 60 seconds. Pro tip number 2, always use a HART multi-tool to sand all the hard to reach places. Next step might be controversial, but I decided to go with a tan wash using a 1:2 ratio of paint and water. I need this piece to sell fast so that I can pay my bills, so I'm catering to my local market, and that local market loves a good tan wash. Once that dried, I applied a water-based polyurethane to seal, because remember, if I were to use a typical oil finish, it would darken the wood, and we don't want that. So you're not going to be able to unsee this, but doesn't the original hardware look like a sad face? I decided to spray paint them black and switch up the placement. Now, as a reminder, here's where we started, and here's the final product. It's no longer a sad face, but a happy face instead, and I actually really enjoy the contrasting black hardware and tan wash maple. Be sure to follow to see how much I sell it for, which is hopefully a lot so my lenders don't come for me.